everyone, welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'm going to tell you very simple way of drawing water droplets. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, I am Prax and I'm very new artist. I'm learning art through all the social media and the great artists out there. In case if you are also a new artist, let's learn it together. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching and giving your precious time. Now let's get started. To draw these droplets, I have first coated my paper with a simple one layer of graphite, where I have taken the very light amount of graphite powder on the brush, and I have spreaded it very lightly, gently on the paper throughout. So to draw a droplet, first of all, we'll create a circle. Not necessarily it has to be very perfect circle, just a round shape or the drop shape. And then I'm adding some of the shadow. The shadow will depends on from where your light is coming. In my case, it is coming from top right. So that's why the shadow is at the bottom side, right? So just give a little more shadow, a little thicker. I am using here 4B pencil, and for the outline I have used the same pencil with the lighter pressure. Once the shadow is created on the upper part of the circle, I'll be shading it gradually by giving it a gradient look, which means at the periphery of the circle it will be little darker, and as it moves forwards towards the shade it will be light in nature. So as you can see, how am I doing over here? Slowly, very simple, very light stroke we need to apply. Do not apply any pressure, otherwise it will not look good. And after giving this contour shading, I'll be blending it with the help of a brush. Again, this is the normal brush. You can use blending stump also, but with the blending stump ensure that it is clean, and do not apply any pressure. Right now, after shading it with the help of Tombow mono eraser, or you can use pencil eraser also, I'm giving highlights. So the highlights, which is basically reflecting the lights, and at the bottom area of the bubble, again I am little bit removing the shading so that it will reflect the light from there. Similarly, I have drawn rest of the other bubble. So I hope you saw how simply you can create water droplets. I have been saying bubble bubble throughout the video because somehow bubble is in my mind, but it is a water droplet. I hope you understand. And this way very easily you can create a water droplet, and do give it a try and let me know how it comes out for you. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.